I love you deep in my heart.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. Candy don't jackpot. I don't know where she goes. She don't leave me for guys. I went for a work trip and I'm just showing you some of the things I enjoyed, some of the views and sites,
Look at
food
this
and
young
all.
lady.
I was just able to post it on social media at this time. This is not the first time I'm traveling. However, this is the first time I'm sharing content while on a trip. So please enjoy today's video. I'll just take you through my apartment tour. Yep. So this is our apartment in the heart of Nairobi, Kilimani to be precise. This apartment was love at first sight for me. When you first enter, you see this beautiful home decor, and then you find this call log. You see that it's a smart home. That's all I can say. When you come into the apartment, you find this beautiful island. Maybe not an island, but it's just an extension. And guys, one thing I can say for sure, this house has so many storages. You know, if it's not a short stay, like if I was going to get an apartment outside of Nigeria, then this should be a good apartment for me. So many storages in in the house. So let's just get right into it. Another one, like everywhere you turn to, they were able to maximize the space. That's all I can say. Anyways, this is one of the storage. When you go into this house, it's a two-bedroom apartment, and this is the first toilet you see. Um it's it's actually cute. Like I said, everywhere you turn to in this house is storage, 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 storage. I don't want to go too much into the bedroom details because somebody's there, and somebody's stuff is already there, so don't let me go into details. This is the first room you will see when you come into the apartment. Is the color of tiles, the bed, the hospitality plan of the host, very nice. I so much love the apartment. Anyways, this is the first room. I was just able to capture a bit of it. I didn't go too much, but then you can see the wardrobe, big, spacious enough for whatever it served the purpose it ought to. We walked in into this beautifully wrapped towels, light everywhere. It's just beautiful to see. I mean, I enjoyed my stay in the apartment, right? So yes, this is the first room. Then we come out. When you come out, you see again the kitchen, and then let me just take you through the apartment, the kitchen tour. So right inside, when you walk through the kitchen, you find this laundry room. This is our washing machine. This was, anyway, I don't even know how to say it again now that I'm back. Anyways, this was our washing machine that served the purpose. Again, storage. This was where we got our drinking water from, well sterilized and all. And then when you come out, you come to the kitchen again. Storage, storage, storage. The microwave, the oven, which we did not eventually use, and then to the kitchen islander, it's not an islander, the extension again. I love the cookware, I love the plate. Black is cute. I don't know, I was in love with white plates, but using those black plates, wow, it was a big deal. I loved it. Now I'm beginning to think, do I want to change my the color of my plates at home here back in Nigeria? Anyways, this is our still more storage wardrobe. Here we have our fridge, freezer. Was very okay and suitable for use. I mean, we there was no time we were able to fill up the fridge, so it really served the purpose in which it was there for. Now, from the kitchen, we have the dining room. Not just a bit, see, one thing about this house, the lighting were well thought and planned because it came in different and little cute things, and they are really they really did the job. Anyways, this is a four four guest dining table, which I used very well. Also, from the dining table, you find this workstation, which has my system there, and I really enjoyed. I used it actually maybe once or the but I used it to serve the purpose. From the workstation, you have the living room. This is very portable. Like I like the fact that in decorating this house, the host did not overdo it. I mean, you know the size of your living room, you know the kind of sofa that is expected. You know the center table was well thought of. Imagine we have games, we had games inside this you know beautiful but functional table. That's the chair there with we have our sofa. We had this sofa sheet, this cover cloth that I used most of the time. There's this beautiful light. You could, turn on the light based on what you want and the mood you want, and then enjoy it. So I just love the form, the decoration. The interior decor was well thought and planned. The colors matching. So we have this beautiful table coaster, um, with some little cute decorations. That's nice. At TV, I watched the life out of Hollywood movies. Sorry, Nollywood rather. I was on YouTube most of the time. Anyways, look at these beautiful curtains. I mean, it was just the color was screaming luxury because it's so cute. Perfect for the living room. Perfect for the kind of carpet on the ground. The center up. Everything was just beautifully made. I had to do the work of the owner, even though it's not mine. But I had to do this work for you guys to see. Sure, fits me. Check him now. This house fits me. Abi, fits me. Anyways, we move. All right. From the living room, we you can access the balcony, which is beautiful as well. Add its own carpet rug, just to create some aesthetics. And then we have two chairs where we can sit out. I don't. There was never a time I sat out here. Anyway, most of the time I was sitting in the living room. But you know, look at the beautiful city of Nairobi. I'm going to show you the night view later, but let's quickly do the tour of the other room. I told you it's a two-bedroom apartment, and so this is what we have. This is the second room, beautiful as well, well lit, and you know hospitality is on point with this host. I'm going to show you something that she did that was very amazing. Anyways, if you I had to just drop the curtain so that you can have a nice view of the room. I wanted you to soak in the whole lighting, and you know proper have a proper look at the apartment, at the room rather. Anyways, this is it. The color of the curtain here is blue, for reasons best known to the host, but it's still cute, does the job for me. I mean, most of the time we're working, so we come back in the evening, so it was just perfect anyway. um if you come out of my room, you will access the same balcony as that of the living room, so you can just link up with whoever is there and then enjoy the view. I'm going to show you the night view like I said, but this is what we have. Anyways, let's go to the bedroom. The host was nice enough to give us this basket is for laundry, um which just store and then wash. Anyways, this is the second bathroom. That's your girl right there. I think the worst thing I did was using a tripod to film this, because tell me why this camera is shaking. Anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying it, despite all. If you are here to like and subscribe to this channel, please do so now. Like this video, like it, like it, like it, like it, like it. This is 10 minutes in and you've not liked. Kid wash bye. Please like this video. Anyways, this is my bedroom. I had fun in this bedroom. Hot water is always available in less than 2 seconds of putting on the heater. So it was cute, I really had fun. Anyways, this is the full view of the room, and that's it. And there you have this beautiful tour. Take a look. This is the kitchen. I cooked to chai. No, 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 no. I enjoyed myself in this apartment. As in, I was playing with the lights. Sometimes I have it on. So this is the cute thing that the host did. When we arrived at the apartment, there was no blender. We had mentioned that to him before coming. We didn't know there was no blender in the house. So when we asked again, he just went, bought and sent dispatch to us. I had to do this unboxing because this blender, I used this I think I was the only one who used the blender anyways. But it makes sense. And you know the small one, I didn't use the small one, there was no point. But the big one, yeah, I used it very well. It was really good. It served the purpose to which I wanted. I made stew, I think I'll show that in the next video anyway. So this is what we have. Thank you to the host. By the way, this apartment is called Black Lake, uh and it's located in the heart of Kileleshwa, 10 minutes to Junction Mall. It was very close to where we stayed. This is the night view I had promised you guys. um I don't know, there's light in Nairobi, but for some reason it's so dark this night. So anyways, that's what we have. Then to the part that I did not I explore, this rooftop. What, I think it was the night before that I heard that there was a rooftop that we could actually check out. We didn't know. So I had to come this night to get a view. It was so breezy. Kai, your girl, yeah, I was shaking. Let me just tell you. You can't tell me anything. I was shaking, but I had to do this content for you guys. And tell me why you will not like it if I can come out in the cold, to get you views and do videos when all you just need to do is press a button in the comfort of wherever you are watching this video from. Please guys, like this video, thank you. So this is the beautiful rooftop. There was no need to use the swimming pool. I won't lie to you, even if I had known about the thing from the day I arrived, I wouldn't have used it because your girl, the weather is cold. What? I was experiencing cold at every almost every night. Anyways, this is a beautiful art tour. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.